The basics of getting started with GPT for Sheets has changed since I first made videos on this topic, so here's the updated version of getting started with GPT for Sheets. You must have a Google account because GPT for Sheets works as an extension within Google Sheets. To get started, I've opened a new Google Sheet and I've named it, and now I'm going to go to Extensions and point at Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. And then I would search for GPT for Sheets. It's GPT for Sheets and Docs. That's the official name, but I just call it GPT for Sheets. And there's GPT for Sheets and Docs, and it tells me it's installed because I've already installed it. If you had not installed it, you would click on this icon and then click Install. So now I'll X out of this. Now I need to enable GPT for Sheets in this Google Sheet. So I go to Extensions, GPT for Sheets and Docs, Enable GPT Functions, and I'll see a sidebar pop up on the right side of the screen. And once that sidebar opens, I know I have enabled GPT for Sheets. Once I enable GPT for Sheets in one Google Sheet, I never have to re-enable it for that particular sheet. But whenever I open a new Google Sheet, if I want to use GPT for Sheets, I have to enable it in that sheet.